Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate card using the Beyond the Horizon Paper Pumpkin Kit from March 2022. So what I've got is a Old Olive card base with the inside of one of the envelopes cut to 5 1/4 by 4. I've also got a piece of basic white in 4 by 2 5/8. So basically a 5 1/4 by 4 cut in half. So it's 4 by 2 5/8. And I have embossed it with these stripes and splatters 3D embossing folder. So I'm going to flat mount that. And then I'm going to use the, I don't know if they're supposed to be bulrushes or whether they're something else, but anyway, I'm going to use those on there. I'm going to stamp with a little note with one of the stamps from the set that came in the kit on one of the bars that came in the kit. So I'm going to do the stamping first and then I will build the card. So I'm just going to ink this up, make sure I've got really good coverage, and then pop it down like that. So there we go. And I've done it in Old Olive on Old Olive. I really wanted a bit of a softer effect on this one. So I'm going to use adhesive to add this to the card front. I've already stuck the mat down onto that. So I'm just going to kind of center this piece, make sure I'm even and level, and then just drop it down like that. So what it does is it gives a bit of texture, not really mimicking a shoreline kind of thing, but just that kind of idea. And I'm going to use liquid glue to add the flowers to, or the stems, whatever we want to call them, to the card. I need it to be just that little bit flexible and movable when I first put it down. Just make sure I'm in the right place. And also with the 3D embossing folders, it's really deep embossing. So I want to make sure that I'm actually able to adhere this properly. So I'm just going to pick this up, turn it over without getting any glue on my fingers, and just pop it down. So with the liquid glue is going to kind of not soak into the paper, but it will adhere to the paper just that little bit better. And I'm going to take mini dimensionals. I just have a couple left on this sheet here, and pop them onto the back of here, and then I'm going to pop this down. So this one's super quick, super easy. Biggest issue is going to be getting this nice and level. I'm just going to pick that up before I push it down, and we are level, so that's good. So this area is really open and plain, except for the embossing, and I kind of like this one with just the openness. It's fresh and it's clean, very simple. So I hope you have enjoyed building this card along with me, and let's create another alternate card again soon.